Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make fish galam. We'll begin by selecting the freshest ingredients, which are crucial for an authentic taste. You'll need about 1 kilogram of firm white fish, like snapper or cod, along with a vibrant array of spices. We'll also prepare fresh aromatics such as ginger, garlic, and green chilies to build a rich flavor base for our delicious dish. Now, let's get our ingredients ready for cooking. First, carefully clean your fish and cut it into 8 to 10 manageable pieces, ensuring they are thoroughly patted dry. Next, we'll create a fragrant spice paste by blending 1 large onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger. Finally, marinate the fish with 1 teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of salt for about 15 minutes to infuse flavor. With our ingredients prepped, it's time to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and gently sauté the aromatic spice paste for about 5 minutes until fragrant. Then, stir in 1 cup of rich coconut milk and 2 tablespoons of tangy tamarind paste, allowing it to simmer gently. Finally, carefully add your marinated fish pieces to the simmering sauce and cook for 10 to 12 minutes until tender and flaky. Your delicious fish galam is now ready to be enjoyed. Garnish generously with a handful of fresh cilantro for a burst of color and aroma. This flavorful dish pairs wonderfully with fluffy steamed basmati rice or warm, soft flatbreads. For any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will remain fresh and tasty for up to 2 days. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.